Okay, here are, oops, I spilled a little bit. Hey guys, Sky Cowans here. I'm a health and wellness enthusiast and I'm so excited to be teaming up with Fitbit for this episode of Glow to Sleep. We all know how important sleep is for our health. I've been tracking my sleep data using my Fitbit Versa Lite and I really want to develop a better bedtime routine to help improve my sleep. So I'm going to be making 3 different nighttime body oils to see if I can relax a bit more at night and get better sleep quality. So let's get started. The base of each of these is going to be a jojoba oil. Okay, so I have this cute little baby funnel that we're gonna use. So we're gonna fill up each bottle with this to start. I'm gonna start by making this lavender de-stressing oil. I have fresh lavender and valerian oil, both of which are really great for relaxing and for better sleep quality. So I'll start by placing 6 drops of this valerian oil into the jojoba oil base, and we will finish this with a fresh sprig of lavender. This cute little lavender flowers, adorable, and some lavender leaves. Okay, let's put the top on. You gotta shake up all the goodness now. Shake it out. Beautiful, it looks so pretty. My skin's starting to feel really soft, so that's definitely a plus. Okay, so now I'm going to be making this healing sleepy time oil with rose and frankincense. I'm so excited about this one because I love rose. Frankincense is awesome for sleep. So we're gonna take 6 drops of this to start in the jojoba oil. Ooh, that's strong. 6 drops of this in here. So I'm gonna take about 2 of these fresh rose petals and put them in here. Oh, they're so pretty. I love roses. And just use this to push them in. And then I'm going to take 1 of these adorable little rosebuds and put this into the bottle. So now I'm going to put on the cap and give it a good shake again. Get those healing juices going. It just smells like a spa, like a fancy spa. And we'll move on to the calming chamomile oil. I love drinking chamomile tea at night, but I've never actually smelled chamomile essential oil, so I want to give this a little smell. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna put 6 drops of this into the jojoba oil. And then we have some dried chamomile, a fresh chamomile flower, and some mint leaves that we're gonna put into this bottle. So we're gonna put this in here. Oh, and now we're gonna take this mint leaf and also put this in here. This is fresh mint. Ooh, that smells very fresh. Gently push this in. And I'm gonna take just a couple of these dried chamomile flowers and also put these in here. In addition to chamomile being great for sleep, it's also anti-inflammatory. I can't wait to use this while I'm drinking chamomile tea. Oh yes, I'm gonna sleep so well. Okay, so we're gonna put on the top. Shake, shake, shake. Ah, I love that. Okay, here are our 3 beautiful bedtime oils. I'm so excited to try out these nighttime body oils tonight to see if they do help improve my sleep and to track those changes using my Fitbit Versa Lite. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions for other DIY sleep hacks that I might be able to try. And remember to get your 7 to 9 hours, it's so important. So let me know in the comments below if you also try this out and if it works for you. Thanks so much for watching, I'll see you next time.